Okay, welcome back. This video is going to talk about basically launching a website on Bluehost, just to show you just how quick and easy it is, nothing to it. Here's my account, I've got my domains, it's an unlimited account, you can host as many domains as you want, great deal. They have regular hosting, what they call shared hosting, and then you can also get dedicated hosting if you got some big, gigantic site, or you just want dedicated hosting for, there's some spam reasons why you may want that. But let's just take this. We're building socialmediarockstar.net. This is the go-to site. You're going to want to bookmark that site. This is where we're going to post all these great videos about how to be a social media rock star, build your business, get tons of leads, and basically try to get an autopilot business. Okay? So click that. We want to launch a website. I've already assigned the domain. If you don't know how to get the domain in here, I told you on a previous video. Look it up on my YouTube/social media lawyer. You can find it in the social media rockstar folder or on this website. So, but assign the domain, you get it in here in the panel, and then you go up here to hosting. Go up here to hosting. Okay. And then I think I'm logged in. Yeah, I'm already logged in. So, the box is checked, and now we're just going to go do a site builder. We're going to build a site here, okay? There's your site builder. That moves around. So click on your WordPress. Let's see, I've been having a little delay, but let's see. So that's working up here. This is the Chrome browser. You can see that it's working on its timing here. So I'm going to sit here and be patient and wait for this to load. I have found sometimes with Bluehost that it does bog down a little bit. They got a lot of users. It's a bigger site, and lots of people. So sometimes you have to be patient. But anyway, so we have, what we're doing here is these were already installed. So we're going to go down to, scroll down. Where do they hide this thing? Where is this? Okay, it's right here actually. It's not as far down as I thought. Blogs. Okay, that's what you're trying to do. You're trying to install a blog. So you're trying to get your blog installed, so it's on my list here of installed blogs. So let's go to, click on that, WordPress. And there's other types of blogs that you can post and whatnot. I've always used WordPress and been happy with it, so there's no charge for the WordPress, so you gotta love that. And then basically I just go to install a brand new version. It's asking you, where do you want this? As you'll see, this is going to be your main account with Bluehost. Mine is Foreclosure Warriors. This is my main account. And then you're going to type here what the name of your file is going to be, Social Media Rockstar. Okay. Now it's a .net, but I'm not going to put .net because that'll screw everything up. Don't ask me why. I'm not an engineer, but you don't want to put the .net there. We'll fix that later. Okay, so right now put Foreclosure Warrior, put what your domain is going to be. Make sure you spell it right. Take your time. And then site name or site title, you can put Social Media Rockstar in there if you want. And then click here to display. This is going to make things a little easier for you. So you got your admin username. There's my email address, Law Attorney Steve, and this is my, I don't know if this is my admin password or not. I don't think it is. But what they're asking you is to create an admin password. So I'm going to write this down. I have a password book where I keep all my passwords. So I'm going to go Social Media Rockstar. I'm going to create an admin. I think that was just a bogus admin they put in there, because that's not the admin I use. It's not how I log in case you're wanting to hack Attorney Steve's account here. So let's go, and please don't do that, by the way. Please go to admin password. So let's just go baseball. Let's go baseball. And there's my admin password will be baseball. My admin username, so I'm writing these down. So the password is baseball with a capital B. and then the user is law@attorneysteve.net. Now I'm going to change that later. But so we got the admin email address, the admin password is baseball, I've got that written down, and the username there. Now also you have down here plugins, they got some things that you can automatically upload. I just uncheck these, I don't want any of these. I've goofed around with some of them, and you know, not to say they're bad, but I start from scratch. But read these, you maybe something you like in here. I have read it, and just go complete. Okay, that should get us going here. Okay, let's see what happens. It's working up here, as you can see. So let's just be patient. Give it a second. Oops, directory already exists. Are you sure you want to overwrite its content? So I may have goofed around and tried to post something up there already. So I just go, yeah, fine. Directory exists. I understand that continuing will overwrite the file. So I'm fine with that. As you can see, they went back and tried to check these again, right? So they're always trying to get you to upload these things. Let's make sure that's good. We're still good there. So let's just go and overwrite it. Still check the box. Complete. And let's try that. Thank you for your patience. Okay. Process was added to the queue successfully. Okay, good. That's what you want. The green check. Install, and here it is, foreclosurewarrior.com/socialmediarockstar. Now, of course, that's not the domain you're going to want up in your URL bar at the end of the day. So let's just be patient here. It's propagating. So let's hold on, running the installation on your server. So we're going to be changing that in a second, as you'll see. And then we'll have that, hopefully, that eureka moment where you go, wow, I've got a website, I'm live, I just launched a website. So that's what you're trying to do here. So let's give it a sec and see what comes up here, okay? Alright, so now you have a site URL, there it is, that's your site, and then you have this login. Okay, well that's what I want to go to, because I want to log in right now and get the site fixed, and I want to get rid of this Foreclosure Warrior, which is really nothing but my account name, right? So I want to log in and get rid of that. Okay, so let's go, just click on this link. Okay, and then remember we had the username, which was law@attorneysteve.net, and we are real estate social media lawyers, business intellectual property, whatnot, those sorts of things, internet law. So check us out at attorneysteve.net. I have to get my plug in. And then the password, remember we put baseball, capital B, and I like to try to do remember if you have your browser set up for that. So okay, so let's try to log in, see what happens here. Alright, bingo, we're in. So first thing I do is I go here and I'm going to change the password eventually, so it's not going to be baseball, so don't come back and try to log in. For all you baseball fans, don't try to log in. I'm going to change it. So, but you know, you can come here to your profile, and I got my email. I got this. It'll ask your website, and I'm not exactly sure what that does. If anybody knows what that does, let me know. But I put it in there anyway. My website is attorneysteve.net, but in this case, this is the site we're working on, social media rockstar.net. I like the .nets. Socialmediarockstar.net. You can put some other information here about yourself. You can put, I am a social media rockstar that helps businesses launch on the internet and to master your domain. I am also a real estate IP and social media lawyer. Okay? Need anybody for those services, trademarks, copyrights, website stuff. And here's where you can change your password. I'm not going to do it right now. I'm going to do it later though. And update your profile. Now, remember I told you that domain was all screwed up. Go in here to general. Okay, social media rockstar. You know, put your tagline. You know, something like that. Now, here's the trick to getting your website. You see how you have this here, foreclosurewarrior.com. You need to get rid of the foreclosure warrior because it's not about this account. So now you go www.socialmediarockstar. Now I'm adding that .net. Okay? Now you're adding the .net. Make sure it's spelled right or you're going to have problems. Look at it, take your time. Socialmediarockstar.net. If you know it's right, I cut and paste it. Throw it in there. Bingo. Now, I'm going to save the changes. Okay? Now, see how it kicked me back out? Because they're saying, okay, you changed the name. Let's try now. Baseball. Let's try username. Remember the law at Attorney Steve. And let's go baseball. Not forgetting to use the capital. Now, by the way, when you're using a WordPress site, any site, you're using a password, you want to use a sophisticated password. You don't want to just use baseball or something like that. You'd want to do like baseball, you know, $, question mark, exclamation, capital X, small z, all that stuff, and that's for increased security. You know, we'll cover that password tips on another blog. So let's log in and let's see what we got here. Now, if you look up at the top, visit site, let's go visit the site, you will see by the magic of social media, you now have your own website, Social Media Rockstar. This is part 2 in our series, and you can see we've done this in about 15 minutes. Okay? Pretty simple. Watch the next video. The next video is going to show you how to launch a Mojo theme into your site so that it doesn't look like this, which is plain vanilla, okay, and put some spice in it. That's going to be on the next video. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to check us out on our YouTube channel. Subscribe, follow us on Twitter. You don't want to miss these valuable updates, and as we're here to help you build your business and master your domain. Okay, we'll be right back.